The Polokwane coup has had very negative consequences for South Africa. Firstly, the abandonment of President Mbeki's economic policies and the adoption of the SACP's more socialist and state-directed approach has been the main cause of South Africa's failure. The question is, to whom do they really give their first loyalty? All this has been accompanied by the continuing appointment of unqualified ANC cadres to key positions in parastatals, municipalities, the police and the public service. The result has been a serious erosion of the capacity of the state and of its ability to provide essential services.
The notion of a capable state, as stated in the National Development Plan, can only be realized if there is clear understanding and acceptance of the need for a state that is capable, distinct from government. The defining characteristic of South Africans is that you are activists and are not known to accept shoddy treatment.